You waltz down here and use the same pathetic excuse that every other single person before you has done. You, with all your gifts and all your opportunities, have the gall to blame me. You gotta blame me flying up in here, and I've been hearing that racket for 10 years and I ain't tired yet. I'm strong enough, I've been called a lot worse, but a lot tougher. I was honored and privileged to earn a United States title at this stage of my career, and it's used as a beacon of opportunity to introduce new superstars to WWE, like Kevin Owens and AJ Styles, just to name a few. You took the U.S. title as a demotion, and you stand there and claim me? Fine, I blamed you. I'm still here because you can't do your job. When it comes to this, you probably haven't even learned yet. There's only one rule. Step up or step aside. And over the years, there's been a few to step up and nobody to ever keep up. And then I finally hear about this one guy, the Roman Reigns, the one that can keep up. But now I look at ya and I listen to ya. You should be ashamed I'm a part-timer because I can do this part-time better than you could ever do it full-time.